Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine if your Windows XP computer is activated. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Start button to open up the Start menu, select where it says All Programs, and now you want to go and select Accessories, and select System Tools. Go down to where it says System Information and open that up. Now on the right side, you want to locate something that says Activation Status. If you do not see it in here, that means that your computer is activated. If it was not activated, there would be an activation status item in here. You can sort by ascending or descending order as well. You can go ahead and search for it as well by selecting the Find What. If there's too many in here to look through, but in most cases there should not be. Again, activation status, and then the value will say if it's activated or not. And if it was not activated, it would probably say on the right side how many days were left before it needed to be activated over on the right side here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.